everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We're always looking to make something really interesting and simple to enjoy along with our main course. Today I'm going to share a wonderful stir-fry recipe using plantains. We're going to make this delicious plantain coconut stir-fry. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I've taken 2 large plantains. First we need to cook them. Remove the ends and place the plantain pieces in a pressure cooker. Add enough water for cooking. Close the cooker and cook the plantains for 2 whistles. Once done, turn off the heat once the pressure is released. Now you can open the lid and you can see the plantain is cooked beautifully. Now cool it completely, remove the skin and chop it into small size pieces. To a wide kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of Cumin Seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add 2 red chillies cut into half teaspoon of Asafoetida powder and add 1 onion finely chopped and saute it well. Adding onions will enhance the flavor of this fry. Next add 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, slightly pound. Adding freshly pounded garlic will add flavors and taste to the dish. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder and mix well. I'm using Kashmiri red chilli powder. If you have the regular chilli powder at home, you can use that as well. Now I'm adding the cooked and chopped plantain pieces. Keeping the flame on low, mix everything well. The stir fry looks dry, so I am adding just a teaspoon of oil and mixing it again. Masala is well coated with the plantain pieces. Now I am adding some fresh curry leaves and give it all a quick mix. Next I am adding half cup of freshly grated coconut. If you want, you can add some extra coconut. Mix it along with the plantain pieces. Since this is plantain coconut fry, adding a little extra coconut will always enhance the flavors. Keeping the flame on low, roast for about 10 minutes. There you go, the stir fry is ready. Turn off the stove. This delicious plantain coconut fry is ready to be served nice and hot. This is an extraordinary dish with nice rich flavors, and if you want to try something new with plantain, this is for you. Wow, the flavors are just incredible. It's such a simple dish that you can make and you can enjoy along with your rasam or sambar or even curd rice. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.